We're all checked in, guys. Here's our room, 2590. Tap the card on the pad and in you come. As you can tell, it's huge, but we'll start from the door. You've got your light switch there. If you've got the room next door as well, there's a door so you can walk through, but obviously we don't. We're gonna start with the bathroom. And as you can tell, it is huge. We got his and hers sink, but before that, we've got this huge walk-in shower. Looks beautiful, can't wait to get in that because the flight was very long. We've got a nice big jacuzzi bath. That'll definitely fit us both in. A huge mirror on the wall. Round towards his and hers sink. You've got towels each, hand towels, a bin. You've got the bath towels up there. You've got some tissues. All your products that they supply. A big mirror for Laura. This is going to be her side, I'd imagine. Look how big the mirrors are. And again, some more towels. Here's our toilet. I'll just switch the light on. Nice spacious room. Not a lot going on behind here. Cool little picture. So that is the bathroom. It is huge. We love this. We love how big it is. And then as you walk out, here's the big mirror. You can see Laura. 6 hours sleep on the flight, not enough, no?
No.
Okay. So when we're all ready to hit up the strip, gonna check out our outfits in there. He's so lazy.
I'm tired, I'll just rejuvenate.
In this door here, we've got our wardrobe. Iron, ironing board, coat hangers, all the normal stuff. That looks like it might be a safe. That is a safe. So that's good. I love the lights. They're pretty cool. I like little presents. We just chucked our luggage there as we've only just checked in. Got a nice little desk area. Big lamp. We were looking for the light switches for ages. And there are these little things in here. You just twist them.
Individual lights.
That's the same for all of them in the room. So when you're going to bed at night, you'll be doing the rounds, not me. But as I was saying, you got a bin under here, nice little desk area, got your telephone, got the chair, got the big mirror again. So yeah, plenty of places for Laura to do her makeup. And then for 2 nights of our stay, we've got a double queen room.
1 night.
Oh, 1 night is it? 1 night. So that is why we got 2 beds, because the other king room isn't available till tomorrow or something.
We have to decide if we want this room or we want to swap.
Yeah, we can stay or we can swap. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. We got light switches here, which is for the hallway actually. Got some plugs down there. I like these stools that are at the end of each bed. And then we got our drawers in the middle. Obviously nothing in them. 3 of them. We got another lamp, another phone. I love the headboards.
They're nice.
They're really nice.
Very regal.
And then again, your little stool at the end of the bed. As we turn around, look at the size of this little TV unit. In here, we're gonna start down here, is the fridge. Oh, can open either handles. And this is stacked out with, don't touch these, because as you can see, they got the little like clips. So as soon as you take them out, even if you don't drink them, it will charge you. And then, yeah, we've got everything. We've got alcohol, we've got soft drinks, fizzy drinks, mixers, plenty in there. And then we've got some more up here. But if you scan this code, then the mini bar menu will come up. Just close that. Over here, we've got just again, some more wardrobes, some more drawers, sorry. Nice and big, plenty of room. TV remote, massive TV. We haven't yet switched that on, but it would be just your standard channels. You've got your ice bucket. There is ice just down the corridor. We saw some signs when we was walking to our room. And then these are just storage. Plenty. That's where we're going to store our cash when we win in the casino later. Is that bed comfy, by the way?
So comfy.
Yeah. Over here we have a coffee machine. 2 chairs and a table. So again, somewhere nice to sit. I like how this room has plenty of areas. You know what I mean? So you're not on top of each other. And again, another area. Got the sofa, got the chair, got the puff. So you can chill out here rather than chilling out on the bed and watching some TV.
This is true.
It is true.
The bed is for sleeping.
Hopefully you can turn this round because we have one hell of a view. We'll show you that in a minute. But again, we've got more plug sockets. We've got another lamp. The aircon is just up here. It's blowing out lovely cold air as we were boiling after the plane. We needed a lot of aircon. I think I showed you this, but this one's just under here. Showed you this lamp, but not how to turn it on. Lovely. And then the main attraction. We got a strip view and it is amazing. Open the blinds. Look at this. Oh, the fountains are going. What timing? Yeah. I thought they were shut, but maybe just for the race. They just exploded up. So yes, the Bellagio is next door. The Cosmo is just over there. The Paris Hotel is just over there. You got Planet Hollywood. You can't see much more down there. But yeah, cool little view. So that is our room, guys. Beautiful.
Wait, one more bit.
One more bit.
But this.
You sunk into that. It must be quite comfy. But if you did enjoy this room tour, guys, then please drop a like. If you've got any questions, then please drop a comment down below. But yeah, we're going to hit up the strip. Let's go!